Intellias is a tech company that grows big. Like, all over the world big. Which is great. But at some point we began to wonder, are we starting to look like one of those stiff global corporations with way too perfect images?
So it seems like big tech jobs are losing their glamour.
Silicon Valley has lost its soul.
That's definitely not how we want to come across. After all, Intellias is created by people, for people, and people aren't perfect. So we sent 70 film cameras throughout our offices and asked our colleagues to show their true selves. No editing, not retakes, just real moments. What was the result? The Real Not Perfect campaign. The main characters, people. The core idea, be real. The extra perk, lots of fun. We received almost 2,000 photos and created our manifesto of realness.
Absolutely not perfect people. Who have good days and bad days. Work days and what on earth am I doing days.
We went into full real not perfect mode. On our website. On social media.
Туди, де, власне, я сам. Real, not perfect.
Even with a limited merch collection. And everyone seemed to like that.
Give me something that'll get the people. I got something that'll get the people. Give me something that'll get the people. I got something that'll get the people.
So yes, we can grow big, create global technologies, and yet stay real. Intellias. Engineering by real, not perfect people.